Welcome to a residence that exists beyond imagination, a place where architecture, luxury, and art merge into a single breathtaking experience. Today, you're about to tour one of the most extraordinary homes ever created, an ultimate all-marble mega mansion designed to overwhelm the senses and redefine what elite living truly means. From the very first glance, this estate makes it clear that this is not just a house, but a statement of power, precision, and timeless elegance. As you approach the property, the mansion immediately dominates the landscape with its bold geometry and flawless marble façade. Every visible surface is wrapped in carefully selected stone, each slab chosen for its dramatic veining and natural movement. The exterior design blends modern minimalism with monumental scale, creating a structure that feels both futuristic and eternal. The marble reflects the changing light throughout the day, giving the home a living, breathing presence that shifts from soft and serene to bold and commanding. The arrival experience is nothing short of cinematic. A wide marble driveway stretches forward like a ceremonial path, leading you toward the grand entrance. Water features mirror the architecture, doubling the visual impact while adding a calming rhythm to the environment. Carefully manicured landscaping frames the home without competing with it, ensuring that the mansion remains the undeniable focal point from every angle. Standing at the entrance, you immediately feel the scale of the design. Oversized doors crafted with precision open to reveal a dramatic interior that feels like stepping into a private museum. The transition from outside to inside is seamless, with marble continuing uninterrupted beneath your feet and rising along the walls like sculpted artwork. The main foyer explodes upward into a breathtaking double-height space. Natural light floods in through floor-to-ceiling glass, illuminating the polished marble floors and reflecting off a monumental chandelier suspended above. The chandelier cascades downward like frozen light, creating movement and elegance in a space defined by openness and symmetry. Every sound softens here, reinforcing the feeling of exclusivity and calm. Directly ahead, a sweeping staircase commands attention. Carved entirely from marble, it curves gracefully upward, its form both powerful and elegant. Glass railings keep the design visually light while allowing the staircase to function as a sculptural centerpiece. This is not a staircase meant to be rushed, it's meant to be admired. To one side, the main living area opens up in dramatic fashion. The ceiling height expands, the windows stretch wider, and the space feels almost limitless. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls erase the boundary between indoor and outdoor living, offering uninterrupted views of the terrace, pool, and horizon beyond. Marble floors flow seamlessly throughout, their reflective surface amplifying light and space. This living room is designed for moments that matter, grand celebrations, intimate gatherings, and quiet evenings alike. Custom furnishings in neutral tones balance the cool elegance of the marble, creating warmth without distraction. A linear marble fireplace anchors the space, its subtle flame adding movement and contrast against the stone. Lighting here is a masterpiece of restraint. Hidden LED accents trace architectural lines, highlighting textures without overwhelming the design. As daylight fades, the room transitions effortlessly into an evening ambience that feels luxurious, calm, and deeply inviting. Moving forward, the formal dining area reveals itself as an experience rather than a room. A long custom dining table sits beneath an artistic lighting installation that feels suspended in midair. Marble wall panels with dramatic veining surround the space, creating a backdrop that feels alive with natural movement. This is where unforgettable dinners unfold, where conversations stretch late into the night beneath soft, golden light. Adjacent to the dining space, the kitchen stands as a perfect balance of form and function. Every surface is clad in marble, from the expansive countertops to the full-height backsplashes. Custom cabinetry blends seamlessly into the architecture, hiding state-of-the-art appliances behind flawless finishes. This kitchen is built not only for performance, but for presentation. A massive marble island anchors the room, offering space for casual dining, entertaining, or simply appreciating the craftsmanship that defines this home. Behind the scenes, a fully equipped prep kitchen ensures that hosting large events remains effortless, allowing the main kitchen to stay pristine at all times. As we move deeper into the mansion, more intimate living spaces unfold. Private lounges offer a quieter atmosphere while maintaining the same level of design excellence. Soft furnishings, curated artwork, and carefully placed lighting transform these spaces into retreats within the home. Each room feels intentional, personal, and perfectly balanced. The home office is a statement of refined power. Marble walls frame the space, while expansive windows bring in natural light and views of the estate. Custom shelving and a commanding desk create an environment that inspires focus and authority. This is a place where decisions are made, ideas are born, and success feels inevitable. Ascending the grand staircase, the upper level opens into a gallery-like corridor overlooking the foyer below. Glass railings maintain openness while emphasizing the vertical scale of the home. Every angle offers a new perspective, reinforcing the architectural depth of the design. The primary suite is nothing short of extraordinary. Entering the bedroom feels like stepping into a private sanctuary designed for absolute indulgence. The space is expansive, yet serene, with marble floors softened by luxurious textures and custom furnishings. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame breathtaking views, allowing natural light to fill the room from dawn to dusk. The bed is positioned as the centerpiece, oriented to capture the most dramatic views while maintaining a sense of intimacy. Soft lighting, layered textures, and subtle tones create an atmosphere of calm sophistication. This is a bedroom designed not just for sleep, but for restoration. The primary bathroom elevates luxury to spa-level perfection. Entirely wrapped in marble, the space features a freestanding soaking tub positioned like a sculpture. Oversized walk-in showers, custom stone vanities, and ambient lighting transform daily routines into rituals of relaxation. The natural veining of the marble becomes artwork, highlighted by carefully placed light that shifts throughout the day. A boutique-style walk-in closet completes the primary suite. Designed like a high-end fashion gallery, it features marble floors, custom shelving, and display lighting that showcases every piece perfectly. This is where style meets architecture, creating a space that feels both functional and indulgent. Additional bedroom suites throughout the home offer the same level of refinement. Each suite is uniquely designed while maintaining a cohesive aesthetic. Marble bathrooms, generous closet spaces, and large windows ensure that every guest experiences five-star comfort and privacy. Entertainment spaces within the mansion redefine in-home luxury. A private cinema delivers a full theatrical experience with plush seating, advanced acoustics, and immersive visuals. The design balances intimacy with indulgence, making it the perfect escape for movie nights or private screenings. Wellness takes center stage in the mansion's private spa and fitness facilities. The gym is wrapped in marble and glass, filled with natural light and panoramic views that energize every workout. Nearby, the spa area offers a sauna, steam room, and massage space, transforming the home into a personal resort. Stepping outside, the estate expands into a breathtaking outdoor environment. A vast marble terrace stretches across the rear of the home, offering multiple zones for relaxation and entertainment. Every detail is aligned with the interior design, ensuring a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. The infinity pool is the crown jewel of the exterior. Framed by marble decking, it appears to merge with the horizon, reflecting the architecture and sky like liquid glass. Water features add movement and sound, enhancing the sense of calm and luxury. Whether hosting lavish poolside events or enjoying a quiet swim at sunset, this space feels endlessly captivating. Outdoor dining and lounge areas are designed for unforgettable moments. Sculptural seating, fire features, and lush landscaping create an atmosphere that feels both glamorous and welcoming. As evening falls, architectural lighting brings the entire estate to life, highlighting the marble textures and clean lines of the design. At night, the mansion transforms into a glowing landmark. Soft illumination outlines the structure, revealing its depth and symmetry against the dark sky. Reflections dance across the pool and marble surfaces, creating a scene that feels almost unreal. This all-marble mega mansion is more than a display of wealth. It's a celebration of craftsmanship, vision, and timeless design. Every space has been curated to deliver an unparalleled living experience, where beauty, comfort, and function exist in perfect harmony. Living here means waking up surrounded by art, light, and luxury every single day. It means hosting unforgettable gatherings, finding peace in private retreats, and experiencing the highest standard of modern living. This home is not just built to impress, it's built to endure, to inspire, and to define a legacy. If you could own this ultimate all-marble mega mansion, which space would become your favorite? The grand living room, the private spa, or the infinity pool overlooking the horizon? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive luxury tours that take you inside the world's most extraordinary homes.